Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to merge the two cells on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to merge a cell in WPS spreadsheet mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. For an example, I just want to merge the cell from a 1 to 5. So select the cell that you just need to merge, and you will see a click on this icon option, and you just want to scroll down and you will see an option. In this 4 option, you will just need to click on the merge option. So now we can see the cell has been merged. The same thing, I just want to merge this first two cells. So click on the merge, and I just want to merge next two cells, and I just going to merge. So now if you type any value here, it will be on the center. So this is how the merge options all work, and you can just see how it's work. So if you want to make it on the center, you just click on this icon and make alignment so it look on the center. So this is how you just align the text, and also how this is how you just merge the cells inside the WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.